are you actually connecting with what you're writing? Every piece of content you put out into the world doesn't have to be perfect, but every piece of content you put out into the world needs to be real. And I want you to ask yourself, are you writing everything as a human and not as a strategist? Or are you copying other people around you and doing what they're doing? Sometimes we get so caught up when we're writing that we don't take into consideration that when we are writing, there are humans behind a phone, a computer. They're actually human beings on that other side of where you are writing. So they're consuming what you're saying. So let me tell you the story about my new client, David. He actually is a violinist, and he's a very renowned violinist. And he actually, in the pandemic, he just shifted. So he's a new entrepreneur. The thing is that right now he wants to give violin lessons. And the thing is that he's put out a nice little video promoting what he wants to achieve. And I stumbled upon the video and I said, hey, if you need any help, I'm here for you. And he said, of course, I need all the help that I can get. Oh my God. So we got into a meeting, we sat down, we made a plan. And truth be told, like we all humans, we need to hear things a few more times. So he continued to do what I had told him not to do, but still he was actually sending mixed messages with his content. And I sat down with him and I actually explained to him very sincerely. And I said, listen, we need to start shifting what your message is all about. If you actually want to sell violin lessons, we need to actually shift your messaging right away, because you are not connecting with people. Yes, you are getting likes and loves from your friends and family, but these are not the kind of people that you want to hire. That they want to hire you. So why would you continue to send mixed messages? And when I digged deep with him and found out what he actually wanted and who he wanted actually to serve, is when we really got into the root of how his messaging should be crafted so he would actually sell what he really wanted to sell. So as of a month and a half, more or less right now, I have opened a mentoring service, which is sort of like an unstuck mentoring, which you can actually choose two kinds of sessions. You can actually choose from an hour and a half or 2 hours and a half. And we can talk about things like your website, your social media, you wanted to launch a online course, or you want to create better emails, or your messaging, you want to dig deep on how to shift the perspective of your clients and how to create promotions, anything that gets you stuck, even like hiring somebody to get into your business. How do you do that process? How do you vet them? What do you have to teach them? All those sort of things that actually get you stuck. So we have two programs. We have the Visibility Accelerator sessions, and we have the Visibility Planning Solution. The Visibility Planning Solution is more of a tailor-made. Is that if you are a business and you have more than one issue, more than one thing, you need help on your promotions or on hiring or creating templates or creating structures and SOPs. And SOPs is systems of operations. If you are needing somebody to help you redesign your website, we're not a web designers, but we know a lot about it. But these are the sort of mentoring services we are offering right now. So if you are interested, go to the link below and sign up right now. So wrapping up with the video, I want to help people get unstuck. I want people to deliver their content and their messaging the realest way possible. I want you to be as authentic as you want it to be. I don't want you to be copying other people. I really want you to be unique, because what makes everybody unique right now is what will make you. And not only that, it will give you actually a peace of mind. You will have a plan. You will have a north. You will know where to go. And this is what I want. I want actually everybody that I touch in my life to actually be happy and have great ways to promote their business, to feel that they're having more visibility every single day. That is all for today. And if you're still interested in the mentoring, still not, you are interested. If you're interested, it is only very limited time that we will have this service out, at least the one-to-one mentoring sessions, because it takes time and it takes my time as well. And I have other things to do. I have to be here on camera. I have to be here. Anyways, so if you're interested, check the link below. Go to the website. It's veronicadepolo.com/mentoring. So there you'll have all the information, what we can do for you, and sign up if you're interested. Bye-bye.